Hindi sexo libog ang hanap ng mga nanonood sa sex bomb concert. Hindi ka sure dyan. Maybe for the majority, di ba? Majority, but that's the problem with intent. You cannot be fully sure of. Di ba? You cannot be fully sure of. Katulad ng kahit anong concert, mapabini man yan, kung ano-ano mang Korean K-pop group man yan, di ba? There's a theme for sexually attractiveness. And it's up to the individual to actually have that, fulfill that, or act on it. And, mapipigilan mo ba sila? Diba? So, there's a price for everything. Diba? Sumikat ka sa pagpapasexy, well, kapalit niyan, of course, yung mga maa-attract mo sexually na hindi mabuting tao. Gets nyo ba? Well, this is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.